start the configuration part. See, last time we discussed about automatic payment program configurations. So almost we finished up three configurations. So today we will finish up rest of the configurations. Okay, let's start. See, last time we have done up to payment method configuration. So today we will finish up all this configuration and we will do the unit testing. Okay, so I will do unit testing today. Payment method and company code. Okay, so double click on this and click new entries. So what is our company code? TH08, right? So TH08, what kind of payment method we created? 8, 9 or 9? Tell me. What is the payment methods we created? So 9 and 8, 7. Okay, so 9 is check outgoing and the minimum amount for check is, okay, so you will pay the minimum amount through check is only 100 rupees and so 1000 rupees minimum you will apply check for outgoing payment and maximum this amount. Okay, so foreign business partner allowed. So my voice is clear, madam. Clear, Divya. Anyone please confirm is my voice is audible or not?
Yes, it is audible.
It's audible, right? Okay, so please check your network. Check your network. The minimum amount and maximum amount. So through pay, through paycheck. Okay, so we can pay the minimum amount through check is 1000 and maximum this amount. And you want to apply check payment to foreign payments, then you can select these options. Okay, so if you not select, then foreign payments will not be allowed. So under SAP script, okay. So here you need to take the SAP script form, SAP F110 underscore prenum underscore check, and driver of the name you just provide your Tata Motors. Okay, and save it. The last time we done automatic payment program configurations. Same transport request I save. Go to new entries and put 0 TH08 and payment method. This time 8, okay, and minimum amount and maximum amount. Foreign business allowed. SAP this one and save it. Okay, and same way you will do the configuration for payment method 7 incoming payment. Incoming payment minimum amount and maximum amount and foreign business allowed. Save it. So we have created 3 payment methods and this configuration is also done for payment method in company code. Okay, now so we need to create some house banks. Okay, we need to create some house banks. Bank creation. Okay, just go on this. So give your company code. House banks creation and how many banks you have that you need to define in your system. Okay, so go to new entries. So house banks, SBI bank, company is using for incoming and outgoing payments. So bank country, bank key is nothing but branch. Create Okay, and so your bank is SBI. This provide you provide these details where your bank is located, and go to bank account and go to new entries, SBID. So SBI bank. So give the bank account number. Okay, 9-digit number. And if you have alternative bank account number, then you need to provide currency. And the bank is associated with the GL account, SBI bank. SBI bank GL account, you need to provide. Okay, so save it. So you have two banks. One is SBI bank, and second one is Citibank. And same way you can create a Citibank also. So house banks, click on this, new entries, Citibank, City, bank country, the bank branch address, the bank country India, bank key, create. This is Citibank, region and street, city, and save it. Okay, and bank account, go to new entries. So Citibank ID, Citibank. So Citibank has an account ID, right? Account number. And Citibank has a GL account. So this GL account should be assigned. Okay, and the currency. If Citibank has any alternative account number, you need to provide these details and save it. So we created total bank, two banks we created in our system. Okay, we generally use two banks. Okay, company will use two banks. One is Citibank, and the bank is a master data in SAP. Okay, so we have separate key codes also there for creation of the bank in SAP. Go to accounting, financial accounting, banks. It's a master data. Okay, master data. So bank master data. So bank creation T code. So this one you can create bank, bank country, bank key, etc. And this is also there. You want to change the bank here also there. Okay, you can use these T codes. It's a master data. So hence it's a master data. So this will be created by master data team in real time with the help of the treasury team. So treasury team will create the bank's accounts in real time. Okay, physically. So bank is a master data. Okay. And now ranking order. So bank determination is nothing but ranking order. Which bank primarily you will use? First bank. Okay, which bank you will pay? Which bank you will receive first? So ranking order. So priority. Which bank you will take a priority to pay the vendor invoice, etc. Or which bank you will receive? Okay, which bank you will receive first? So these things we need to define. So in our system. Okay. So now go to bank determination. Go to bank determination. Okay, and go to position. So give your paying company code details. So TH08. Select this ranking order. New entries. See, so how banks like this payment method check outgoing. So currency. This is the first ranking order. I will use check payment first. Priority. My priority is SBI Bank. First, I will use SBI Bank. Okay, and second priority bank transfer. And ranking order should be 2. I will use bank Citibank. And 7 payment method. It is ranking 3. If sufficient amount is not available in SBI Bank, system will pay through Citibank. Okay. So this is incoming payment method. So 7th is the incoming payment method. So generally I will use incoming payment method. First priority is SBI. Okay. These two banks I generally use for outgoing, and this one bank payment method 7 I will use for incoming payments and save it. And the second one is go to bank orders, new entry. So House Bank, SBI Bank, and second one is City Bank. So take the sequence, okay, what we have given earlier, the same sequence. Okay, this is 9, this is 8, the same sequence you need to follow. Okay, don't. So currency, account ID. So account ID, SBI ID. Okay, City, SBI. Okay, so respect to GL account, we need to specify. So R2R team will give the GL accounts, okay, in real time. GL will be created R2R team. SBI Bank, and this is a City Bank. The same GL account should be linked with the incoming payment. So just to save it. Bank account means you need to assign the GL accounts. That's enough. So this is not required. Available amount. Go to new entries. So take the same sequence. Sequence should be same. Okay, account ID. Account ID. Account ID. Days, this is the standard. You just give 9999. Currency, INR. Okay, what is the available? See how much available amount you have for this bank. For this bank, this is a standard one. There is no need to define for incoming payment. Okay, so this is the standard one. So just to define for only two payment methods. Available amount for incoming payment, available amount for outgoing payment. Okay, so in your bank. So if you pay 1 lakh rupees, so it will not be deducted. Okay, so this is only just for standard. So if you pay any payment is done outgoing incoming, so that will minus plus will not be happen from this configuration. Okay, the same configuration will be there. There is nothing plus minus. This is only standard. That's the reason we are giving this one only. And value date. What happened? Okay, value date. Go to new entries. So take your payment methods. So payment methods every time should be sequenced. And house bank. Okay, and account ID. And amount limit. The same amount limit. What you specify, the same you can take it and save it. Okay, your configuration part is done. Okay, so we have done all the configurations for automatic payment program. Now we will do unit testing. At a time, I will post vendor invoice and customer invoice. Okay, for multiple vendors. Okay, then I will clear this vendor customer invoice. Okay. So now, before doing that, I will go to OB57. Okay, so every time you need to go to OB57 and check. So position, give your tolerance. So MM user 84 and remove this, put your tolerance group and save it. Okay. So next thing is, so you need to post some vendor invoice. So first check how many vendor open items are there. So open due items are there. Go to SBL1N and click on this. There is no open item. Okay. There is no open item. So for this, how many vendors are created? So almost 2 vendors are created. Okay, but there is no open item. I will post some vendor invoices. Okay. I will post some vendor invoice. Go to FB60. Okay, and take vendors. Chanu SK. So transaction date and the amount, vendor invoice, so GL account, paid purchase, star, and text, vendor invoice. Now go to payment. So here, so in invoice also we can specify the payment method. So our payment method check outgoing. Okay. And see, invoice should be due, then only automatic payment program is applicable. If invoice is not due, then it is not applicable. So make sure that your payment term should be 0001. Okay. And give your payment method here, or else you can give the payment method in vendor master. So either you can give the payment method in invoice level and vendor master maximum. So whatever you will give the invoice, the same will be picked in automatic payment program. Okay, so invoice is first priority and vendor master is the second priority. So if you do not give this payment method in the invoice level, system will ask from the vendor master. So if you give the vendor master payment method, that's sufficient. But so if you give the payment method here, then system will pick mainly from this one. See, in vendor master you have given payment method 8, but in invoice level you have given payment method 9. System preference is only 9. So whatever you will provide in the invoice level, the system will pick only invoice point of view only, not the vendor master. Okay, but if you don't give in the invoice level, system will pick from the vendor master. Okay. So either you can give the payment method here and in vendor master also, both will be valid. Okay, so this depends upon the client. Okay, so save it. So I posted one vendor invoice. Again, I will post one more invoice. And the same transaction I posted. Okay, I will post different vendor right now. So this is the vendor, two vendors. And amount, vendor invoice. So you need to take only check outgoings, okay, not incoming. Customer case, you only take incoming payment. So test payment, okay, and you take the payment method, bank transfer, okay, bank transfer and post. Okay, same you can post once again. Okay, so and post the same transaction. Okay, like that you will post a customer invoice also. Okay, so go to FB70 and take your customer and invoice date. Okay, so reference number, GL account, sales. Okay, and test payment. Okay, give your incoming payment for customer case. Incoming payment, not outgoing. Okay, customer is incoming. Save. So like that, you can post one more invoice and reference number. You can give it anything, and so check for your customer payment method is linked. Save it. Okay, so you posted vendor invoice and customer invoice. I will clear both through automatic payment program right now. I will clear all the vendor invoice at a time. So FBL1N and check how many vendor open items are there. See, invoice should be due, then only automatic payment program is applicable. If invoice is not due, then system is not pick the automatic invoice should not pick the line item. So make sure that your invoice should be due, and this invoice should have the payment of 0001. So then only you can clear, and this should have the payment of 8. Okay, so payment method should be there. And for customer case, you can go to FBL5N. Okay, and so execute. So this you have two invoices. Okay, so two invoices, and check this is the payment term, and the payment method is the payment method. Where is the payment method? Payment method is linked. Okay, and so the second one is also payment term 0001, and payment method is linked. So here you need also specify the house bank also you want. You can also specify house bank details also from this place. So house bank SBA. Okay. You want to clear through SBA. Okay, go to additional and click on this additional data and specify SBI bank and save it. Okay, so you done 2 invoices, 2 customer invoice. Okay, so you have posted 2 customer invoice, 2 vendor invoice. Okay, so in automatic payment program, so you can directly take F110 T code and the run date is today's date. So today is 30/10/2023. So identification test something we can put it parameter. So give the company code and the payment method. So take your payment methods, all payment methods 786. Okay, so because some items we use 7. So what is your payment methods? 789. 789. Okay. So when you execute automatic payment program, so 31st 10/2000. Again you will execute so on this date. So you take all your vendors in real time, you will take total vendors. Okay. In real time, you will use total vendors. Okay, at a time. Okay, and take the vendor. Okay, and also you will take the customer also. Okay, customer. So vendor customers in real time, you will take all customers. Okay, so right now I have only one customer, I will take one customer, but in real time, so we will take all the vendors, all the customers. Okay, go to additional, do check any 2 items you need to select. So ignore this and go to status and save. Okay, go to, you have given parameters. Parameter means these are our inputs we need to provide to the system first. Okay, additional log, you provide these details and status. Then go to proposal. Proposal system will pick all the due or overdue invoice on the today's date. Okay, so proposal, enter. Enter or click, you can also click the status here. Then you will see payment proposal has been created. So payment proposal has been created. So now execute this, click on the proposal, click on this. Okay. So all the line items are showing a green color. That means there is no error. Okay. So these are all line items, vendor, customer, all the line items, vendor related, customer related. Okay, system will system pick all the payment method also system pick. So customer invoice also system picking and vendor and outgoing also system picking. Okay, so now so you do the payment run, system will clear all the invoices. Okay, so just execute payment run and click on this, enter. See error. At the time of payment run, we will get error. At the time of proposal also we will get error. But here we got error at the time of payment run. So we need to check what is the error message. Okay. So for that you need to go to edit. So if you're getting error in the proposal, then you go to proposal and display log. Okay. So in display log, I didn't see any errors. Okay, because the proposal is successful, but payment run has a problem. So then you go to edit and payment run. If you get error, go to proposal and check display log. If you are getting error in the payment run, check here, go to display log. Okay. So display log, systems telling that number range 20 is missing for the company code. So number range 20, what is the number range 20? Anyone tell me what kind of document we are clearing right now? We are clearing vendor invoice, customer invoice. What is the document type? So manual document type is KJ. But automatic payment program you are clearing, it's a ZP document. Okay, so automatic payment program clearing document type is ZP, not KJ. So double click on this. Okay, go to proceed. So give your company code. ZP document number range is 20. Okay. So plus 20 number range you have getting issue. Okay, ZP document we didn't denote, we didn't define 5001 and 6000 and save it. And you, if you are getting this kind of message, that means successfully created. Okay. So your number range has been created successfully. Now go back, click on this, go back. Okay, now you want to refresh this, go to edit. You are getting error in not proposal. Okay, proposal is a green, but you are getting in payment run. So delete output. Okay, delete output and go to payment run and click on this. Okay, so 3 generated, 3 completed. That means I cleared all the vendor invoice. This is the vendor invoice KR document. Okay, now go to refresh and check. All open items are cleared. So you want to see the cleared item. So then select the cleared item on today's date and click on this. See ZP document. Through ZP document we cleared this 2 invoices. So what is the ZP document entry? Select this and click on this and click on this. So a TCS account to bank, vendor to bank. Entry is payment entry, vendor to bank. Okay, so you want to see it's a ZP document. Okay, so by using the transaction code F110. So the same way you will check the customer outstanding amount also and select this. I cleared all the customer outstanding invoices and select. So you will see the clearing document. Okay, clearing document is ZP document and everything is green. Okay, right. So all the vendor invoice and customer invoice are cleared to automatic payment program. In real time, we will take bulk volume of vendors and customers at a time. Okay, at a time we will take. So this is the way we can clear the automatic invoices through automatic payment program. Okay. So now you will check the document type OBA7. Okay, and go to ZP document and click on this. So this is the number range 20 and check the company code intervals. Okay, so here, so we have used 3 numbers. Okay, for payment we have cleared 3 numbers. Okay, so NR status is showing as 3 numbers. And you want to see the balances, vendor balances FK10N. So you will see all the vendor balance or respective vendor balances. I don't have any vendor balance right now. Okay, so it's a clear debit credit and all line items are 0. And double click on this, see a system is showing that this is the vendor invoice and this is equal to payment. So payment is ZP. So I cleared 2 invoices with the clearing document is 5002. Okay. And the same way, so you will check the payment another vendor also. Okay, so you can see all the vendor and customer credit and debit are equalized. Okay, and you will see in table level SC16N. So table you can take BSEC. BSEC is the line item. They give your company code TH08 and fiscal year and see execute. Okay, so these are all clearing date. See clearing date. You want to see on today's date how many line items are cleared. Okay, how we can segregate. You can have GL vendors. This is all line items, not only vendor related. It is a total line item level. If you have the document number, you will see directly. Okay. So here you will check the clearing document date. So this is the today's date. Today's date, how many line items are cleared? So these are line items are cleared on today's date. Some of the vendor invoices and the postings also. This is the vendor related. D means customer related. Invoice along with the payments are done. Okay. So this is the BSEC. Okay, and also you will see BKPF also. So you can give the document the company code and document type is ZP document. How many line items are cleared to ZP document? So 3 line items are cleared and document numbers are this. And you want to see be like so for customer vendor open item cleared item BSAK cleared item. Okay, vendor. So you want to see these details TH08 and check. So how many line items are cleared? The total showing 26, but on today's date, you want to see the details. This is including ZP and KZ apps. That's the reason it's showing this one. Some of the line items are in invoices and some of the payments. These are payment related, invoices also included. These references are payment invoice and payments also included. So this is the way we will see all the information in the system. This is the reports extraction. Okay. So tomorrow I expect everyone should complete this task. I need this screenshot. Okay, so this payment screenshot for vendor and customer. I want this screenshot. So select this and today's date, how many cleared? Okay, so I need this screenshot. Okay, so document type ZP. I need this screenshot. So the document type ZP. These are the cleared items. So you want to see customer cleared item BSAD. BSAD is the customer cleared item. So give your company code and check it out. So how many line items are cleared? Select this and so give ZP. Okay, so 1 line item clear. This is the clearing document. I need this screenshots. Okay, you will face some errors in tomorrow's session. If you are troubling any errors, please share your screens in tomorrow. Okay, so if you are facing any errors, just share your screen. Tomorrow I will rectify. Okay, so tomorrow's session is rectification, errors rectification. If we are facing error, I will resolve. And tomorrow also I will discuss this automatic payment program, some scenarios. Today, so I will complete it vendor along with the customer. Okay, how we can clear both at a time. Okay, both at a time, how we can clear by using this F110. This is the way we can clear the transactions. Got it? And I expect everyone should send the screenshot of these clearing items. Okay, and if you are, I think everyone is updated, right? So almost we given 3 days holidays. So please complete these very important scenarios and so share your screenshot in the chat box. If you are struggling anything tomorrow, share your screen. So I will resolve. Any issues? Any issues? Are you facing any challenges, issues? Share your screen, I will rectify. Are you getting any errors? Any errors? Okay, so please finish up this task and send the screenshot in chat box. So we will complete the, so we will continue these sessions for another 3 days. Okay, so automated payment program, some real-time scenarios are very important. I will discuss those. And meanwhile, so please finish up this and send the screenshot immediately. Thank you all.